Hi guys, it's always my pleasure to have you back in this channel. And today guys, I've got another of my products, another of Rossy organic products that I'm going to introduce to you today. So please stay put and watch out the introduction of this wonderful black organic liquid soap. But guys, before I go deeply into this, please do subscribe to this channel, like and share, and do not forget to click on that notification bell to get notified when I drop a new video in this channel. There's so many black soap, everywhere right now as it is, but this is one in a million black liquid organic soap. This is a soap that you use and you have a relaxed mind. It's a soap you use, you have nothing to fear, using this soap. This soap is so friendly on every skin type. It's okay if your skin is sensitive. You don't have anything to fear if you're having sensitive skin. And it's very, very effective because of the ingredients used to produce this wonderful liquid black soap. And remember, it is organic. So every ingredient used to produce this liquid soap here is pure organic. They're all natural ingredients. So there is no way these natural ingredients will ever harm your skin. So you don't have to be afraid using this Rossy organic liquid black soap. So this soap now, it does not matter your skin type. It goes perfectly well. And this is a soap that will help you take out every dirt from your skin. It will clean off that rashes, the eczema, just name them all the wrinkles on your body, on your face. Once you start using this Rossy organic liquid soap, you'll just be surprised how those things will just vanish away. They will just vanish away in a twinkle of an eye. So please, this is a soap for you to go for. It's a soap for you to go for. Like you don't have anything to regret using this soap because it's made up of natural ingredients. It does not matter your skin type or your skin complexion. This is just a perfect soap for you to use. This soap actually brings out your natural skin tone. When you use it, it does not bleach your skin, but it helps to bring out that natural skin tone in you. If you are dark, you'll just be having a smooth and a glowing dark skin complexion. And if you are fair, it will just bring out that natural fairness in you. It serves as a deep penetrating, exfoliating agent on your skin. It takes out dead skin on your body. So just try this Rossy organic liquid black soap and you have nothing to regret. And don't forget to come back to give me, the good reports that you're gonna get from this liquid black soap. This is what I'm using myself, morning and at night. I'm using this Rossy organic liquid black soap, and I'm sure my body is not bad. You can testify that my body is not bad at all. And yours will not be bad as well. You also have the same results. Like I said earlier, if you have fair skin, it helps you to bring out the fairness in you. It glows, it helps to glow your skin very well. And if you are dark skin, your black will just be shining, sparkling, glowing and soft. So this is one in a million soap that you cannot afford to miss. So try it guys, and a trial will surely convince you. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to drop your comments for me, concerning this soap on this very video comment section. And if you want to get more information concerning this soap, also drop your comments for me on this very video comment section, and then I'll get back to you. Thanks guys for watching. Thank you so much, and see more of you. Mwah.